Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Question. Define the term brand piracy. Brand piracy occurs when a product is given a name that is similar to that of a well-known brand deliberately so that consumers may mistake it for the actual brand name. Brand piracy is also the imitation or a fake of the original, but they do not look exactly like the original. In addition, brand piracy is the unauthorized usage of protected brand, trade names, trademarks, logos, imitation of labels, packaging, or presentation of products. These practices are used to deceive consumers into thinking they are purchasing a genuine item when, in fact, they are buying an imitation or unauthorized copy. Question. Write a paragraph to explain how economic factors will influence fashion changes. When consumers have money to spend, fashion flourishes and changes. An increase in income stimulates the fashion industry, and consumers can afford to buy new clothes and fashion will change rapidly. When there is less income coming in, consumers will buy less clothes and fashion change will be slower. Inflation, recession, depression, or poverty will also slow down the rate at which fashion changes. These economic conditions affect both consumer spending and the ability of the fashion industry to introduce and promote new trends. Study the graph of the fashion cycle below and answer the questions that follow. Question. Identify the stage represented by the acceptance phase in the graph above. The stage represented by the acceptance phase in the graph above is the peak stage. Question. Explain what happens to fashion during the stage identified in the question above, the peak period. During the peak stage of the fashion cycle, the fashion is produced in large numbers, making it easily accessible to a wide range of consumers. Because the demand for the style is high, more units of the fashion item are manufactured, which naturally leads to more sales of the fashion. This stage reflects the period when the style becomes highly desirable and is seen everywhere, especially among trend-conscious individuals. The fashion is at the height of popularity during this stage, meaning it has reached the peak of its trend cycle. It becomes a mainstream choice, and many or even most people wear it as part of their regular wardrobe. This widespread adoption indicates the fashion's dominance in the market and culture at that time. One of the key features of the peak stage is mass production, which plays a critical role in stimulating sales. Because the fashion is made in large quantities, production costs can be reduced, making it more affordable and increasing its availability. This high level of production ensures that the fashion is constantly stocked and replenished in various outlets. As a result of mass production and high popularity, the fashion becomes widely available and is sold in many shops. Whether in high-end boutiques or mainstream retail stores, the style can be found easily by consumers. Its presence in multiple retail channels makes it even more visible and accessible, further boosting its popularity. Lastly, the fashion is also heavily advertised by clothing stores during this stage. Retailers promote the style through various forms of marketing, including magazines and window displays. These advertisements help maintain the trend's momentum by encouraging more consumers to buy into the look and reinforcing its place at the peak of the fashion cycle. Question. Discuss the interrelationship between quality and price when buying clothes for the world of work. When entering the world of work, it is important to choose clothing that is suitable, durable, and professional. Clothes for the world of work are often good quality classic styles and can be worn for a long time. These classic styles, such as neat blazers, tailored skirts, and simple collared shirts, remain appropriate across different seasons and workplace settings. Because of their durability and timeless appearance, they meet the demands of professional environments where daily wear is required. Furthermore, good quality clothes usually cost more or are more expensive, but last longer or many seasons. While high-quality workwear might seem costly at first, the long-term benefits outweigh the upfront expense. These garments resist wear and tear, keep their shape, and maintain a polished look for extended periods. This may save money in the long run or over time, because workers do not need to replace their wardrobe frequently. This is especially useful for professionals who must consistently present themselves well in the workplace. In contrast, it is important to consider the drawbacks of inexpensive garments. Cheaper clothes may have a poor quality and may have a short lifespan, or last for a short time or season. These low-cost items tend to fade, shrink, or tear after just a few washes or wears. As a result, more clothes need to be bought in a short period and more money will be spent on clothing in a shorter period. In a work context, this can be both costly and inconvenient, requiring repeated purchases and leading to an unprofessional appearance if clothing looks worn out too quickly. Study the picture below and answer the question that follows. Question: give reasons why the clothing in pictures A and B can be regarded as classic fashion items. The pictures A and B can be regarded as classic fashion items due to the following reasons. Both items can remain popular over a long period, lasting for many seasons, which makes them timeless pieces. This means that unlike fleeting trends that come and go quickly, these clothes have enduring appeal that transcends seasons and years. Their design and style are such that they do not become outdated or irrelevant, allowing wearers to confidently use them over extended periods without worrying about looking unfashionable. Timelessness in fashion reflects a balance between aesthetic appeal and practicality, making these items valuable wardrobe staples. The items are considered tasteful, meaning they reflect a refined sense of style and good judgment. Tastefulness implies that the clothes are elegant without being ostentatious, avoiding excessive or gaudy details that might limit their appeal. This quality ensures the items are appropriate for a variety of occasions and social settings. Because tasteful clothing appeals to a broad audience, these pieces are often seen as safe, respectful, and sophisticated choices that can be worn comfortably by most people. Cotton blends have been popular over a long period because they combine the natural comfort of cotton with the benefits of synthetic fibers such as durability and elasticity. Cotton is known for being soft, breathable, and comfortable against the skin, which makes clothing made from it pleasant to wear. When blended with synthetic materials, these garments also gain resilience, wrinkle resistance, and shape retention. This balance ensures that the clothing maintains its look and comfort through repeated wear and washing, contributing to its lasting popularity. Blue and black are classic colors that never go out of fashion due to their versatility and timeless appeal. These colors are neutral and can easily be paired with almost any other shade or pattern, which enhances their functionality in any wardrobe. Blue often conveys calmness and reliability, while black is associated with sophistication and elegance. Because of these associations and their adaptability, blue and black remain staples in classic fashion, preferred for their ability to suit a variety of occasions from casual to formal. The black tracksuit, shirt, or blouse is characterized by simplicity, meaning it features clean lines and minimal embellishment. Simplicity in design emphasizes functionality and elegance without unnecessary decoration, allowing the garment to be easily paired with other pieces. This minimalism contributes to its timelessness since overly complex or trendy details may fall out of favor quickly. Simple clothing also tends to look neater and more polished, making it suitable for many environments, including the workplace and casual settings. Both items are accepted by a large group of consumers or most people, which highlights their broad appeal and market success. This wide acceptance indicates that the clothing aligns well with general preferences and fits comfortably within societal norms of style. When a fashion item is embraced by many, it often means that it balances uniqueness with familiarity, ensuring wearers feel confident and socially comfortable. This acceptance is a key factor in the longevity and classic status of these clothing pieces. Question: analyze the advantages of combining the clothing in Picture A and the tracksuit pants in Picture B for an online, virtual meeting of people working from home. In online meetings, only the upper part of the body, such as the shoulders and face, will be seen, if required. This makes the shirt or blouse in Picture A particularly appropriate, as it ensures that the visible portion of the participant presents a polished and professional image on camera. The focus of virtual meetings being limited to the upper body makes the careful choice of top garments more critical than the lower half. The shirt or blouse in Picture A is professional, formal, and not revealing, which makes it ideal for work-from-home virtual meetings. It aligns with the expectations of appropriate work attire, even in a remote setting, and gives the impression of seriousness and respect for the professional environment. This type of top is suitable for the world of work, helping the wearer to maintain credibility and confidence during online engagements. Additionally, the shirt or blouse in Picture A can be worn with or without a tie or scarf. This allows the wearer to adjust their level of formality based on the context of the meeting. For example, a scarf or tie can be added for a more formal presentation, or removed for a slightly more relaxed, yet still professional, appearance. This flexibility enhances the shirt's versatility in virtual workspaces. Another benefit of the shirt or blouse in Picture A is that it could be worn with or without a jacket or blazer, giving the individual further control over their professional image. If a meeting requires a more executive look, a blazer can be added. If it is more casual, the shirt alone remains appropriate and neat. This adaptability is especially useful for professionals attending different types of virtual meetings in a single day. The tracksuit pants in Picture B offer comfort because they are soft, not tight-fitting, and have a relaxed feel, making them perfect for wearing at home. While they are not visible in virtual meetings, their comfort helps the wearer remain at ease and focused during long video calls. This relaxed fit is a major advantage for those working remotely, allowing physical comfort without sacrificing a professional look on camera. Lastly, both the shirt or blouse in Picture A and the tracksuit pants in Picture B are made of cotton or soft cotton blend fabrics, which are known to be comfortable and cool to wear. This combination ensures that the wearer feels fresh and comfortable throughout the workday, even in warmer indoor settings. The fabric's breathable nature supports physical ease, contributing to productivity and well-being when working from home.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.